And welcome to BITS Goa. Right now, we're celebrating our annual Sports Fest pre-2018. Now, academics is very important, but you cannot have a healthy mind without having a healthy body. So for these 3 days, we forget studies, we forget academics, we leave our books behind, and we go out to play sports. We have sports such as basketball, tennis, badminton, football, cricket, and many other sports, including indoor ones such as carom and chess. This provides a platform for students from all over the country. Colleges from even the most distant parts of India have a common platform to interact with each other, to gain understanding, and to visit the beautiful state of Goa, which has many tourist attractions. Also, we have entertainment. Tonight, we have the famous artist Nuclear, and tomorrow night, we have Sapan Verma, a famous comedian from East India Comedy. So yeah, everyone have a great time.
All the teams are very good, and we are out in the first round, but we hope to come back next year and win the tournament. And this is my team. We are from North Cap University, Gurgaon. We are here to play basketball, and the tournament was awesome. The competition was awesome. Everything from food, referees, and all the other stuff. It was great. It was nice to be here.
How's the opponents?
Opponents are of a really good level. It's a good level of competition here, and we have to practice more to get there.
We have our next match in about 1 hour or so. It's against the institute called LNCT. Yesterday night we played a very tough match against CBIT team. It was a really tough match. I won the singles 21-19, 21-19. So really tired about that, but let's hope we get another win tonight. Thank you so much.
I'm here a national player. National player, I've made many tournaments, national tournaments, but it's a quite good tournament, and national fields here come. International and national players are also coming here to play a tournament. And rest about, I can say, Goa. Goa is a tourist place, a good place to explore. And it's and the rest about table tennis. We have played a match earlier. I played against India rank 12. India rank 12. He is quite good. I lost by him by 3-1, and our team lost 3-2 to that team. And it's a league match. We can practice harder and come next time. May I can beat him. And good tournament to explore, and it's quite good. And feels like good national fields comes here. And rest about the infrastructure is quite good of BITS planning. And all things that I've seen is the best tournament I've played, college tournament, best ever college tournament I've played.
How important is the sports?
Sports is quite important. It makes a person physically fit, mentally fit, emotionally fit. A person can adjust in every situation if a person can play sports. He can adjust in every situation. He can handle any problem easily. Helps to maintain a mental, emotional skills as well, not only physical.
From BITS Goa, and I played against Damodar College today, the girls badminton team, and it was a really great experience. We lost to them, however, it was a learning experience and it just motivates me to come harder next year. Another thing I learned from this tournament is the hard work that I put in and making friends in the badminton team all along the way, and also friends from other colleges here right now, and it's a really great way to interact with others, and I would say it's very distressing and it's equally important as academics and helps keep the mental balance and everything.
Amazing experience. We get to meet lots of new teams from all over India, and it's amazing that we can play with so many different people, and it gives us an insight that there are other people as well who can play really well, and we get to learn new techniques. We look at other people play, and we pick up their techniques and improve ourselves as well. I have met some of my friends which were there since I was playing in 10th or whatever, so I met them again over here, so it was really nice to meet them again.
Perfect.